Plastic Supplies Dudley was established in September 1969 by my granddad, Brian Loverock. It started off with just one product, the body filler spreader. He noticed that when body filler started being used on car repairs, that people were using anything from bits of old lino to old bits of scrap plastic to apply the filler. So we came up with this product. 3 reasons why Plastic Supplies Dudley stand out as being one of the leading moulders in the UK are just-in-time deliveries, so we keep our most popular products here in stock as much as possible. Quality of products, so we've got employees here that have worked for us for over 20 years, so they know the products inside out. And also customer service. Whenever a customer contacts us, they'll always be speaking direct to the management. The best way a customer can compliment us is by their ongoing support, by continuing to place orders with us. We have some customers that are still dealing with us after over 50 years. The reason we are different from our competitors is that we're able to run our machines 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, unmanned. The jobs that we aren't able to automate can still run overnight. These are then packed up the next day by our operators. This reduces the labour cost of the job, as well as enabling us to gain more capacity on our machines.